It's Father's Day this weekend, and a lot of dads, they like a little pampering too. But if they're afraid of going to the spa, you can just bring the spa to them. Joining us now with ways on how to pamper Papa is, of course, Lynda Moore. Lynda, how are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing really great. So you normally wouldn't think spa when Father's Day comes to mind, but actually more and more guys are enjoying getting pampered and get some R&R, right?
Yes. Well, I can't bring my 85-year-old dad to the spa, so I have to bring it home to him. And one of the things that he loves are candles. Candles are such a great gift for Father's Day.
So so candles, but you're going to, basically, you can bring some of the services for dad too and give him some at-home pampering. You're going to show us that, right?
Yes. Well, first, so easy to make is a foot and body scrub for dad. And it's so simple to make. The kids can make it too. It's 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of oil, just a squirt or so of lemon juice, some essential oils as well. Stir all that up, and then just put it in a cute jar and put a little ribbon on it. This is the final product. I don't know if you saw the video, but it's great. It's really easy to make, and only pennies really to make.
And one of our dads here, Dave Hall, he went in one time to your spa and he got an eye mask. And a lot of, guys, they work hard, they're tired, not getting enough sleep. So you can do an eye mask for dad too, right?
Oh gosh, my husband loves the eye masks. This is from a local company called To Go Spa. So To Go Spa, kind of appropriate. And they're little eye masks. I don't know if you could see that. They're literally jelly kind of collagen eye masks. And you put them right under the eye area while my husband's reading the paper or a book. I mean, it's so relaxing, and it just really makes you, feel like you're in the spa. So it's fantastic.
Any other tips on how we can bring the spa to dad and pamper Papa on Sunday?
Yeah, so this is also very easy. Just getting a wet towel, roll it up, put it in the microwave. You could even squirt a little bit of essential oils on the towel. And then this is a great to put on dad's feet. It could also wipe off the scrub that you made for dad. It's also great for shaving. Men love hot towels when they wash their face. So this is a great little spa towel feeling, spa feeling.
And I'm sure you're finding in your industry over the years that, getting pampered, going to the spa, or getting those kind of services are not just for the ladies anymore, that men of all ages really enjoy, having their time to relax a little bit.
Yes, men love just getting touched, and especially their feet and their hands, just applying even a nice moisturizer on dad's face, or buying a nice moisturizer for dad, or a mask.
So it doesn't always have to be a tie or golf. You can do other things too, like maybe if he does play golf or he does something active, you can pamper him when he gets home. So thank you so much,
Absolutely.
Lynda. Any last advice for making it a great Father's Day this weekend?
Well, definitely setting the ambiance, like I said, with the candles. Men love candles, especially candles that smell well. My dad is 85 years old. I'm scared that he's going to burn down the house with all the candles that he likes. So I do buy the flameless, battery-operated candles for my dad.
That's probably smart. I know my dad loves those Yankee candles. He's like, I like the ones that smell like food, like popcorn. I'm like, okay, Dad. But I have to get him Raiders gear because he's a big Raiders fan. So I can't pamper him from afar, but if you have Dad close by, that's a wonderful idea. So Lynda, happy Father's Day this weekend to the guys in your life.
Thank you. Thanks. Good seeing you.
Appreciate it. We'll see you soon.